you sure?
Yes, Isaac didn't fall out.
Well, you don't want him to fall out.
He didn't. He's holding on to the sides of the wagon so he doesn't fall out.
Well, keep driving.
So
Am I in the way?
Yeah, but I'll just turn around.
No, you don't have to. Can you drive over the... Can you drive over this wood?
No, that wasn't too long. No, the wagon won't. We can't move with the wagon. The wagon might not fit. Only the Jeep does, not the wagon.
Well, what do you want to do?
I don't know, Mom. Let's just turn now and go straight.
Okay, what?
Just go around the garage.
Okay, go ahead.
Let me go. Let's just go around the wood. That way or that way.
Go ahead. Just drive.
I'm making it.
Good.
Oh, Mom.
Well, you don't have to turn the water on, do you? I think it's water everywhere.
No, because we...
Oh.
No. I got it. Oh. That's Tennessee. Back it up. There you go. Put this in the back.
Well, I guess that's kind of like how gas works.
But you're not gonna step in all this stuff because we're trying to keep it.
What would happen if you stepped in all the gas? Would it get all over your feet?
No, I went. Let's tell Daddy when he comes home.
Okay, Owen, now it's your turn to shut off the gas.
Ready? Now, ready to go.
All right.
Hey, oh, down. Ow.
You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me fix this better.
Mommy.
Okay. Owen, you gonna get in the Jeep too?
But I'm gonna have this one driving. Nothing. Bye-bye. I'm traffic getting walking.
Do you like the wagon ride, Isaac?
Yeah. Let's go! Right. Whoa. Here we go.